everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back with another DIY for you guys, which is my birthday edition DIY. Yeah, you guys, because today is my birthday, January 16th. Yep, today is my birthday, you guys. So happy birthday to me. Yeah, look at this. I have myself a birthday drink. I said it's my birthday, so I'm going to give myself a treat. Yes, I'm giving myself a treat today, you guys. So I have my birthday glass here. Yes, I do. With my favorite drink inside. And, you know, happy birthday to me. Cheers to you guys. It tastes so good. OMG. Anyways, I'm coming on to share with you guys some DIYs that can be used as Valentine's gift or any special occasion gift, and of course a birthday glass. I'm gonna share with you guys how I made those. Yeah, and later on I'll be putting out another video with my get ready with me for my birthday. Yeah, for when I'm going out later, I'm going to share that with you guys. So hope you get a chance to come back and click on that video when I put it out and see what I'm wearing out for my birthday, which this is going to be my birthday. Today's Wednesday, and this is going to be right back till Saturday. You know, it's not, I don't call it a birthday week, but it's a few days for my birthday because my birthday is in the week. So, you know, Wednesday be a little mild celebration, and then on the weekend I'll be doing a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, you guys, let's get started on today's DIY. Birthday edition. Happy birthday to me, cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to me, cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, cha-cha-cha. Alright everyone, here are the items we'll be using for today's DIYs, and as usual they will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go and see what I use and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have our rose gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and we have this nice little box here from the Dollar Tree. And it's also in rose gold, and I'm just going to take the lid and glue it to the bottom, and then we're going to take our rose gold bling wrap and bling out the box all the way around. Now we have our flowers from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to have the rose gold sparkles and our Mod Podge, and we're just going to add some rose gold sparkles to our flowers. Okay everyone, we have our box here, and I added the bling from Totally Dazzled, which I forgot to press record. And now we're going to take our flowers, and I put some foam inside the box, you guys, and we're just going to add our blinged out flowers to our rose gold box. And here we go, a nice rose gold flower arrangement. And now for our second DIY, we're going to do the same thing but with this silver box here from the Dollar Tree. And once again, we're going to glue the lid to the bottom of the box. And then we're going to add our bling wrap, our bling gem from Totally Dazzled onto the front of the box. Now we're going to add these rhinestones that you can get at Walmart and just decorate around, right around our box. Next, we're going to add the foam to the box, and then we're adding our flowers. So we're just going to add some glue to the bottom of the foam and place it inside, which I use 2 foams to fill out the box. And then we're going to add our red roses, you guys. OMG. I like these roses, and I think they look super cute with silver. And here's our second DIY. And like I said before, it's a quick and easy gift idea. And now for our third DIY, we have this wine glass here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Isn't it super cute? And we have the rose gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, which I cut into strips, you guys. I just cut them into little singular strips. Okay, we're going to wrap them going right around with the E6000 and the hot glue gun, going around the stem of our wine glass. Now I'm just going to use a bit of hot glue to hold the strip in place. Then I'm going to be placing the E6000 going up the side of the stem, and then we're just going to wrap our bling wrap going all the way up. And I will add glue at the end. And when I start a new strip again, I'll add some more glue just to help hold it in place, because the E6000 does not dry right away. Now we're going to go all the way up, you guys. And now I just turned it upside down to make it a little easier, and I'll just be using the hot glue up here. I find it a little bit more easier with just the hot glue. Coming up the stem was easier with the E6000, but going around now here it's not as easy, so I'll be using the hot glue only. And now to the bottom of my wine glass, I'll be adding these gemstones, going right around the bottom, using the hot glue. Now I will go back over with some E6000 in between, but just to go fast, I'm using just the hot glue. So you guys, you can use any strong adhesive that you would like to hold down your gemstones. And now I'll be adding this rose gold gem from Totally Dazzled to my wine glass. OMG! And I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue, you guys, just to hold it to the front of the glass. And here's our finished look. And here's all 3 of our quick and easy DIYs together. I love how the red looks so nice with the silver. This makes a lovely, lovely piece of decor for your home, or a beautiful gift idea for someone special. And our wine glass, you guys. OMG! This is my birthday wine glass. I'll be having all my drinks out of this glass from now right back till Saturday. Yep. And then we have our rose gold flower arrangement here, which I think it looks super cute also. And I love the gems from Totally Dazzled. They just make anything that you put them on look extra, extra, extra beautiful. That's why I love using them. And there we go, you guys. 3 beautiful and easy DIYs that you can have for Valentine's, for a birthday, give as a gift to a loved one, and they're super quick and easy, as you see. Alright everyone, I hope you've enjoyed seeing my DIYs for today, my birthday edition DIYs, quick, simple, and easy DIYs for you guys. Hope you enjoyed them like I said. Alright, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about my DIYs. Give me a thumbs up, press that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And when the bell comes up, press the bell so you'll be notified of every time I upload another one of my DIYs that I love to share with you guys. And thank you for coming on and spending a little time with me on my birthday today. Yeah, it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. And I'm so blessed that the Lord has blessed me with another year that I can come back, come on, and share my DIYs with you guys. OMG. I appreciate you guys so much, more than you know. Alright everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.